Okay, I'm recording now. Welcome. This is me reading this book. Probably uh, these ones too. I will be reading them in the near future, and I will be taking notes and applying everything that what applying anything that the book has to teach me, and writing it down so I don't forget it. Okay, so I can do this here. And this I don't know why this doesn't. Yeah. Okay. So let's start with the chapter 1. Well, I'm not gonna read all of this. Today I want to do chapter 1 and chapter 2. So, chapter 1. Well, I hope you know what Golang is. It's a programming language and all of that, blah blah. So, yeah, let's go with the chapter 1. Setting up your Go environment. Every programming language needs a development environment, and Go is no exception. If you already built a Go programmer too, then you have a working environment. Yeah, this is my case. I can run Go programs in my PC. I already set up those things. I don't know what is this. Well, I can do it here. No folder. Okay. New file. Let me do and test. Test.ho. Well, no, I can do this. Well, I can run Go. No, just believe me. Or maybe I have something here. Oh yeah, I have the game of life. I do know a little bit of Go, but I wanted to read the book to get deep. You know. Does this run? Okay.
¿Tienes algún lamparón por aquí?
No. Like that. Just enter. This is not running. I don't remember why. It's a dead project, but yeah. I can run Go code. Oh, look, it's running. Okay, it's not working really nice. I had a decent version of it, but yeah, doesn't matter. I can run Go code. Okay, so let's follow up. But you might have missed out some of the newer techniques and tools. Yeah, I was searching for this. Like, I have an environment to run like go run.maingo, main.go, but I don't have noted down how to do the lint, the vet, the commands, all of that, and I wanted to take that down. So if this don't worry, it's easy to install. Yeah, it's easy to install. On more on Windows, it's just next, 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 and it will be installed. Installing the Go tools. You need to download and install Go implement tools. Yeah, so I installed all of this. Yeah. This is for the path for Linux. Yeah, and I have Go version. I don't know which one I have. Well, there's the 1.26, but don't care for now. Troubleshooting. No, I don't think I care. Go to link. Okay. All of the Go development tools are accessed via the Go command. In addition to the Go version, there's a compiler, Go build, yeah, code formatter, Go FMT, dependency manager, Go mod, test runner, Go test, a tool that scans for common coding mistakes, Go vet, and more. They are covered in detail in chapters 10 and 11 and 15. For now, let's take a quick look at the most commonly used tools by writing everyone's favorite first application. Hello world, yeah. Oh, too many commas here, I think. Several changes have occurred. Yeah, care about this. Okay, so let's go over the basics of writing a Go program. Along all the way, you will see the parts that make up a simple Go program. You may not understand everything just yet, and that's okay. Yeah. Making a Go module. Okay, so first thing you need to do is create a directory to hold your program. Call it chapter 1 on the command line and enter the new directory if your computer's terminal uses bash. Okay, so this is for like for Linux. We're gonna do it on Windows. I think I will do it in documents. And can I do here what I'm gonna rate it learning go. I will an idiomatic approach. Okay. And here I can do enter ch1 and here I can open Visual Studio Code. I can close this one. Salute. Well, I can close this. Inside the directory, run the go mod init command to mark this directory as a go module. Okay, so if here I run, what is this? What? This won't start. Really good. What? Visual Studio Code not working. Okay, I'm gonna open it again. I don't know why it's doing that. Okay, now. Yes, I don't care. No. Terminal, new terminal. And it says that I have to do to mark as a go module, go mod init and the name. Okay, so let's do that. Go mod init, hello, or do I have to add .go? No, right? No, just for the name. Okay, it's created go mod. Okay, it says the go version and the module name. You will learn more about what a module is in chapter 10, but for now all you need to know is that Go project is called a module. Okay, so all my projects will be named module, right? A module is not just source code, it is also an exact specification of the dependencies of the code within the module. Every module has a Go mod file in its root directory. Running Go mod init creates these files for you. The contents of a basic Go mod file looks like this. Yeah, this is what we have. Okay, so this book was written in the Go 1.2 version. We are on the 25, doesn't matter. The Go mod file declares the name of the module, the minimum supported version of your Go module, and any other modules that your module depends on. You can think of it as being similar to the requirements.txt file used by Python, gem file used by Ruby. Yeah. You shouldn't edit the Go mod file directly. Instead, use the go get and go mod td commands to manage change to the file. Again, all things related to the module covered in chapter 10. Okay, really interesting chapter as we see. Now let's write some code. Open up a text editor, enter the following text, and save it inside ch1 with the file name hello go. Okay, maybe I can do like this. I can choose this one, and I can hide you. Yeah, I can hide you too. We can go to the center, zoom out a little bit. Yeah, this is a nice setup. Okay, so let's create hello.go, and this, oh my god, package main. Let's import fmt to print from main, and now we can do, I think he doesn't do the tab to use later the, yeah, he's saying, yes, the indentation is the code example looks sloppy. I meant to do that, you will see why in just a bit. Okay, let's do the same, the follow up. hello world, and let's just do this. Okay, let's quickly go over the parts of the Go file you created. The first line is a package declaration. Within a Go model, code is organized into one or more packages. Okay, the main package in a Go model contains the code that starts a Go program. Okay, so maybe here I have another package to do other thing, another one, but my code will always start in the package main. That's nice to know. I think I can write this down. So how do I do this? Chapter 1. See, this is important information that you don't want to forget, so writing it down will help you to memorize it. I'm recording, yes, I'm recording. Where this was, yeah, here. Okay, so within a Go module, code is organized into one or more packages. The main package in Go module contains the code that starts a Go program. Yeah, nice. Next, there is an import declaration. The import statement lists the packages referenced in this file. You're using a function in the FMT, usually pronounced as funct. Okay, you don't know that. Package from the standard library. So you list the package here, unlike other languages. Go imports only whole packages. You can't limit the import to specific types, function, constants, or variables within a package. Also, like you can do here, for example, I'm inventing this, but FMT import print. No, you have to import all of it. Okay, this is also nice to note down. Say note down, but I will just copy and paste. Because for these things, it's not too relevant, I believe. But for the things that I do actually want to, for the things that actually I do want to remember, I will uh, write them by my own and not copy and paste, because I think it's more important that I write them down. I understand what I'm writing, so later I can come and read and say, oh yes, this too. So I'll go okay, give me a moment, I have to stop for a second. Okay, we're back. Sorry, I needed this one. I have asthma, so yeah, sometimes I can't breathe and I need this tool. Okay, so let's continue where we left. Yes, the indentation is, yeah, I remember, have to take this down. Next there is an import declaration. Yeah, we already read that. Our Go programs start from the main function in the main package. Yeah, you declare this function with func main and left brace. Like Java, JavaScript, and C, Go uses braces to mark the start and end of code blocks. Okay, okay, I can't. Okay, so it seems like I have I already have a tool that is making this go better, go FMT. I don't remember which one, but yeah, try. The body of the function consists of a single line. It says that you are calling the print function in the funct package with the argument hello world. As an experienced developer, you can likely guess what the function call does. Yeah, it's printing to the terminal. After the file is saved, go back to your terminal or command prompt and type go build. Okay, go build. Okay, I don't get this. Okay, so we have a hello world.x. Nice. Yeah, so this is a compiled language, so we will have to make this to get the final result. Even we can do a go run for testing or for scripts maybe. This creates an executable called hello world in Windows. Yeah, in the current directory, run it, and yeah, and we will see that. Well, hello world. It's so nice. So the name of the binary matches the name in the module declaration. If you want a different name for your application, or if you want to store it in a different location, use the from output, I believe, flag. For example, if you wanted to compile the code to a binary called hello, you will use the following: go build hello. In using go run, try the small. I will cover another way to execute the code from. Okay, so I'm gonna write this down. Well, I think I can copy this. Yeah, it's important to, and I'm gonna try it now. So maybe we want to call it hello. Yeah, and it works. But this one doesn't have the .x. Yeah, so we are on Windows, and Windows needs an extension for the files. So, and now I believe, yeah, problems of Windows. It's fine. Using Go, yeah, Go FNT. Okay, this is nice. I think this gonna go. This is gonna be something important too. So we will do Go FMT. Is there a space here? Okay, so sometimes you will see that I delete the spaces because I don't know why my keyboard sometimes puts doubles the letter even if I only click at it once. So yeah, it would really be like, you see, for the spaces. Here is the double one. Yeah, it's shit, but it is what it is. Okay, so one of the chief design goals for Go was to create a language that allow you to write code efficiently. This meant having simple syntax and fast compiler. It also let Go's authors to reconsider code formatting. Most languages allow a great deal of flexibility in the way code is formatted. Go does not. This is nice because I work with PHP, for example, or JavaScript, and sometimes you see, I don't know, crazy things like this variable declaration for PHP, and then here a for that starts just here for it, and it says well, this shouldn't be possible, but you see, and you have, and then they want to do like this, and yeah, so this Go FNT package is what tries to get rid of. So you run that tool and it will do the indentation or all of that, because then you can end with things like this, and trust me, I work with this every day and I really don't like it. So Go does not. Enforcing a standard format makes it a great deal easier to write tools that manipulate source code. This simplifies the compiler and allows the creation of some clever tools for generating code. There is a secondary benefit as well. Developers have historically wasted extraordinary amounts of time on format wars. Okay, this may be the most boring wars of all the time. Since Go defines the standard way of formatting code, Go developers avoid argument over brace styles and tab versus space. For example, Go programs use tabs to indent, and it is a syntaxis error if the opening brace is not on the same line as the declaration or command that begins with the block. Also, I can do this. Yeah, unexpected. Yeah, let's try. It's already saying, but I want to try. You can find it. I can find it. Oh, right. It's hello.go. Yeah, it doesn't like it. Like this is saying, I will leave it like that, and let's see how to fix it with the command. I mean, we can fix it by just deleting. Many Go developers think the Go team defines a standard format as a way to avoid developer arguments and discover tooling advantages later. However, Russ Cox, the development lead for Go, has publicly stated that better tooling was his original motivation. Okay. The Go development tools include a command Go FMT, which automatically fixes the white spaces in your code to match the standard format. However, it can't fix braces on the wrong line. Run it with the following. Okay, so I have to do Go FMT. Yeah, it won't fix this, but will it fix this? Oh, it's fixing it by its own. I don't know which tool do I have installed here. I think it's Go something. Yeah, I think it's this one. It's doing something by its own. I don't know, but yeah, I'm trying to have it. It's fine. So using this tells a Go tool to apply the command to all the files in the current directory. Okay, so I'll put this here. Okay, so I'm Spanish, if you didn't notice by my accent. Yeah, really Spanish. I can copy this. Maybe I can do a screenshot. Do I do it? No, I will write the code because then I will have too many screenshots on everything. Oh well, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. No, yeah. And here I will say this thing using dot slash three dots. There's a Go to. You will say it again. Okay, I can copy this so I can remember that this means apply to everything. Okay. If you open up Hello Go, you'll see that the line, yeah, it's what it's doing here. Now remember to run Go FMT before you compile your code, and at the very least before you commit source code changes to your repository. If you forget to make a separate commit that does only Go FMT, so you don't hide logic change in the avalanche of what? Remember to run the Go FMT before you compile your code, and at the very least before you commit source code changes to your repository. Yeah, okay. If you forget, make a separate commit that does only go FMT, so you don't hide logic changes in the balance from yeah, okay. So it's saying that if I forget to do a commit, I better do a commit with only running this, and maybe just put in the name of the commit applying Go FMT because I forgot. Okay, very strict rules we see here. Okay, the semicolon insertion rule. Okay, does this matter? No, I think I really don't care about this. Really, it's fine to know. You can put semicolons, but you won't care. Okay, let's go with go bet. Okay, go bet. In one class of books, the code is syntactically valid but quite likely incorrect. Yeah, the Go tool includes a command called govet to detect this kind of errors. Add one to the program and watch it get detected. Change the fmp. Yeah, so this one is for printf, but it's not passing any variable here. I can write it by my own. Fine. Look here, and we say hello, for example. Hello, Sharum. hello.s, which means the variable, and the end of line. And this actually runs hello.code. Yeah, it does run, but it says missing because it wants a variable here. So does GoBet fixes this? Fn prim, don't care. In this example, you have a template with a s placeholder, but no value was specified for the placeholder. This code will compile and run, but is not correct. Yeah. One of the things that GoBet detects is whether a value exists for every placeholder in a formatting template. Run GoBet on the modified code, and it finds an error. Okay, so I can do GoBet and for all the Go files in my directory. Okay, in Linux is actually really fast to run Go commands. In Windows it is not. I don't know why. Needs so here is saying in the line 6 position 21 printf formats reads argument 1 but cal has 0 arguments. Okay, so can I do this now? And it will print the f. Yeah, really nice. Let's go with it. Now that GoFM you can easily fix change. Yeah. While GoBet catches several common programming errors, there are things that it cannot detect. Luckily, third-party code quality tools can close the gap. Some of the most popular code quality tools are covered in using code quality scanners on page. Okay. So I'm gonna note some of these here. Okay, so this is the definition of GoBet. I want to note this down, and from here I can write this down so I know one of the things that this does. And yeah, for the syntaxes I can write just a line, or maybe can I do like, wait, having a stroke here. Okay. And write bash, and this is for the output. How it was printed I don't remember. Wait. Hello world. Okay, now yeah. Okay, so we have this noted down, and now we know what this does. So yeah, it's really nice. It's really important, well, at least it is very important for me to write things down, because I've actually read half of this book, but I noticed that I was doing things wrong when I didn't remember how to run Go FMT, or I didn't remember the difference between this and this. So yeah, I thought to myself, and I watched some videos, and I thought, yeah, let's write things down and let's note them, and if I forget I can come here and remember. And actually you do remember more but writing things down than just reading them and forgetting. Yeah. Okay, so choose your tools. See, I have there's proof that I have read to the half of this book from here, because I actually did something, because I can't let this, see, yeah, that's the Go FMT running. So choose your tools. While you wrote a small Go program using nothing more than a text editor and the Go command, you'll probably want more advanced tools when working on larger projects. Go IDEs provide you many advantages over text editors, including automatic formatting, unsafe code completion, type checking, error reporting, and integrated debugging. Excellent Go development tools are available for most text editors and IDEs. If you don't already have a favorite tool, two of the most popular Go development environments are Visual Studio Code and GoLand. I don't know what GoLand is. Wait. Oh, land. Oh, JetBrains. Oh, I don't like that. I actually worked with PHP Storm, and it was really slow. I didn't like it. Well, Visual Studio Code, I think it's written in the front. I think it's written in JavaScript or Electron app or something like that. Let me search it. In which language is written VS Code? JavaScript, TypeScript, yeah. Yeah, it's the client that is written in. I may change to this one. What's the name? Theft. No, I don't know. ID written in Rust. This one that is what Thet. This one, yeah. This one because it's written in Rust and it seems really nice and fast, and it has integration for the AI. I don't like the AI. Yeah. Okay, let's continue. Visual Studio Code. If you're looking for free development environment, Visual Studio Code from Microsoft is your best option. So, and it was released in 2015. Visual Studio Code has been. Well, oh my god, I don't care about this. Visual Studio Code supports slides. Okay, supports slides and third-party sensor. This includes the Go development tools, the Delph debugger, and Go language server developed by the Go team. While you need to install the Go compiler yourself, the Go station will install Delph and Gobbles for you. Okay, Delph is for debugging, I believe. What is a language server? It's a standard specification for an API that enables editors to implement intelligent editing behavior like code completion, quality checks, or finding out the places a variable or function is used in your code. You can learn more about language servers and their capabilities by checking out the language server. This is interesting. We can read it. What is a language server? I want to know. The protocol defines the format of the message. Oh, JSON RPC between the development tools. Okay, maybe this is a good project to develop our own uh, language server. Yeah. Once your tools are set up, you can open your project and work with it. Figure 1.1 shows you what your project window should look like. Visual Studio Code, yeah. White theme. This guy is a monster. Golang uh, is the Go specific IDE from JetBrains. I don't really care about this. No, don't care. There's one more important tool for the Go development tool, but this is one that you don't install. Visit the Go playground and you will see a window that resembles. Yeah, I already tried this one. Not really interested in this. It's fine for examples, but I don't find it really interesting, so I will skip all of this. The information about the Go playground. Okay, make files. An IDE is nice to use, but it's hard to automate. Modern software development relies on repeatable. You're reading. I can pronunciate this one. Automatable builds that can be run by anyone, anywhere, at any time. Requiring this kind of tooling is good software engineering practice. It avoids the age-old situation where a developer absorbs themselves of any build problems with a shrug and a statement. It works on my machine. Yeah. The way to do this is to use some kind of a script to specify your build steps. Go developers have adopted Make as their solution. Okay, it lets developers specify a set of operations that are necessary to build a program and the order in which the steps must be performed. You may not be familiar with Make, but it's been used to build programs on Unix systems since 1976. Okay. create a file called makefile in the ch1 directory with the following okay, well, right now let's create a file. Create file, make file. Okay, do you want to yeah, I guess. Well, not C++. No, I don't know why I started that. Okay, okay. Default. Go. Okay. Build. Funny. Dot funny. I don't know what dot funny means. fmt bet build. Okay. fmt. Oh, I think this is just saying run fmt bet and then go to the labels and it will do that. Okay, it's nice. It's easy to understand. Funny. It's what we want to do. Then we want to do fmt bet and but okay. And here we want to do go fmt and with bet we want to do go bet all over the directory and with build. Wait, give me a second. Okay, sorry, I am back. Had to do some things. So where we were, fmt, we're declaring what we need to do to build our program. Yeah, I think I have it everything. Even if you haven't seen a make file before, figuring out what's going on is not too difficult. Yeah, it's possible operation is called a target. The default call defines which target is run when no target is specified. So it will run build. Okay. In this case, the default is the build target. Next, you have the target definitions. The word before the colon is the name of the target. Okay, it's the target. Any words after the target, like bet in the line build bet, are the other targets that must be run before the specified target run. Okay, so with build we need to run bet, and with bet we need to run fmt. Okay, the tasks that are performed by the target are on the indented lines after the target. The dot funny line keeps make from get it confused if a directory or file in your project has the same name as one of the listed targets. Okay, run make user C. Okay, I think I can delete this one. Delete. I also want to delete this one, and I can run make. Oh, I think I have to have installed make. Okay, let's install make. I'm gonna install the chocolate because I don't have it. Got so many things in here. Windows Server, no. Windows Server. Windows 11. I don't know which one is my version. I don't care. What? Okay, can I download something, please. Install Choco. I'm gonna stop here because this is a dump installation. I will come back when I have it. Okay, so I have installed make after some troubles, but yeah, I run make and now it's executing all of these commands for me, which is nice. And I believe I can do, can I add arguments here like my program.x? Will this work? Yeah, it's working, so that's nice. For the next times I know it. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna note this down. I'm gonna say make files because I think this is relevant. Okay, and I'm gonna add here the default make file make. This work just with make. Hope it does. Make, no, it's not good. Make file, make it with this. Not even with this. With bash, no. Maybe Python. Yeah, Python, it gives me some colors. I will leave it like that. I don't really care. And I'm gonna note from here that, yeah, this explanation, each possible operation is called a target. The default call defines which target is run when no target is specified. Okay, so I think I could do like make the book maybe, or make test, and it will do some things, but if I don't say nothing, it will go just to build. In this case, yeah, and this is just the explanation, so I'm gonna copy this and I will copy it here, so the next times I know how to run this. Enter a single command, formats the code correctly, checks it for non-obvious errors, and compiles it. You can also vet the code with make vet, or just run the formatter with make fmt. This might not seem like a big improvement, but ensuring that formatting and vetting always happen before a developer or a script running on a continuous integration build server triggers a build means you won't miss any steps. Yeah, this is nice. One drawback to Makefile is that they are exceedingly picky. You must indent the steps in a target with tab. They are also not supported out of the box on Windows. If you are doing your Go development on a Windows computer, you need to install Make first. Yeah. The easiest way to do is to first install a package manager like Chocolate. Yeah. If you want to learn more about writing make files, there's a good tutorial by Jesus Lambert, but it does use a tiny bit of C to explain concepts. Okay, this is nice. Maybe we can do it not now, but definitely I'm gonna note this and we'll give it a read at the night maybe or something. Yeah, and I can say make tutorial. Okay, you can find the code from, okay, also we have the code from the book here, I think. No, just the hello world. Oh, just this. Wait, no. Ah, yeah, it has all of the chapters. So maybe we go to, I don't know, the 12 concurrency, back pressure. Okay, okay, I definitely don't understand what's going on there, but yeah. Okay, the Go compatibility promise. As with our programming languages, the Go development tools are periodically updated since Go 1.2. A new release has occurred roughly every 6 months. Okay, I forgot my English. Sorry. Um, Patch releases with bug and security fixes are also released as needed. Given the rapid development cycles and the Go team's commitment to backward compatibility, Go releases tend to be incremental rather than expansive. The Go compatibility promise is a detailed description of how the Go team plans to avoid breaking Go code. It says that there won't be backward breaking changes to the language or the standard library for any Go version that starts with 1, unless the change is required for a bug or security fix. Okay. In his GopherCon 2022 keynote talk Compatibility, How Go Programs Keep Working, Russ Cox discusses all the ways that the Go team works to keep Go code from breaking. He says, I believe that prioritizing compatibility was the most important design decision that we made in Go 1. This warranty doesn't apply to the Go commands. There have been backward incompatibility changes to the flags and functionality of the Go commands, and it's entirely possible that it will happen again. Okay, so for the code, it won't break nothing, but maybe for Go FMT they change this for the next version. Okay, so staying up to date, Go programs compile to a standalone native binary, so you don't need to worry that updating your development environment could cause your currently deployed programs to fail. You can have programs compiled with different versions of Go running simultaneously on the same computer or virtual machine. When you're ready to update the Go development tools installed on your computer, Mac, and Windows, users have the easiest path. Those who install it with Brew or Chocolately can use those tools to update. Those who use the installer on can download the latest installer just with the mod. This is for Linux. I don't care for now. It's nice, but I don't really care. Exercises. Each chapter has exercises at the end to let you try out the ideas that I cover. You can find the answers to the exercises in the chapter 1. Okay, let's do these ones. Take the Hello World program and run it on the Go playground. Share a link to the code in the playground with a coworker. We're skipping this one. Add a target to the make file called clean that removes the Hello World binary and any other temporary files created by Go build. Take a look at the Go command documentations to find the Go command to help implement this. Okay, this is nice. So there must be, oh my god, how do I find it? Maybe remove something. I'm gonna look for all the things that, okay, so there are two entrances for this, and here can I say make, no, okay, vendor, reset the main model vendor directory to include all packages name, no, verified checks of the dependencies, okay, I don't think it's this. WordPress. Okay, don't care about this for now. too many things. Compile and run, go program. You talk about make here. Okay, this is not interesting. Okay, so he's saying that okay, so I would need to do this. Clean. With clean I would do, no, I think it has to go, okay, build, yeah. Wait, can I have two labels separate? I think I'm gonna go for the solution here because never used the make files, so yeah, it's probably going to be a little bit difficult. Exercise to add the toggle to the make file, see make file in this. Okay. Oh, it's go clean. Okay, it's go clean here. Oh yeah, it's go clean. Go good. You said go clean. Okay, so it has all of these. Clean removes objects files from packets source directory. The go command builds most objects in a temporary directory. So go clean, it is mainly concerned with object files left by other tools or by manual invocations of go build. If a package argument is given, the y or flag is set. Clean removes the following files from each of the sorted directories corresponding to the import paths. Okay, so I was wrong. I just need to add clean. Clean. Okay, it's not running this one. I think because I have to go here, I have to call clean. Am I right? Yeah. Oh, it removed something. I don't know. Ah. Okay, so the idea here, I believe, is to just call for make to build, and then if I want to clean, make clean. Okay, it's not saving me too much time, but I believe in the future will be more useful. Okay, 3 experiment with modifying the formatting in the hello world. Yeah, I don't really care about this. Wrapping up in this chapter, you learn. Okay, I'm gonna add this one because I like it, find it useful. Clean, go clean. I'm gonna make this better. And this. Okay, so I will read this tonight. Okay, so let's go to the chapter 2. And for the chapter 2, I'm gonna make a pause here, guys. We've been for an hour, and well, let's spoil what we are going to see in the chapter 2. Let's see. 1 second. Okay, we are gonna see pre-declared types and declarations. Okay, so we are gonna see the pre-declared types, var versus this, using const, type and untyped constants, unused variables, naming variables and constant, exercises and wrapping up. Okay, a really short chapter, just 15 pages, and yeah, we're gonna go in just a second. Not a second for you. Okay, so I'm gonna pause and I will be right back. Okay, so finally I will be continuing tomorrow, Monday, because now I have things to do. So yeah, thanks for watching. No one is watching this, but yeah, thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye.